grab water and pee. How are you doing? Wee! I don't know how to set up. I'm not sure how we're gonna do today's stream. I'll be honest. Gonna be winging it a bit. So I'm gonna count on your help. Hello. We're back. We're back again. Guess who's back? Mary's back to break more stuff. Today we're gonna be continuing what we were working on yesterday, which was building a keyboard together. We built this keyboard from scratch a while back, and yesterday I'm so happy and proud. We actually got it working. I'm so happy. I don't know how we did it, but somehow we managed to get all the keys working with crewmates' help, of course. We did some engineering. Double sound. Wait, what? Double sound. Double sound. Hey, listen! Is it still double right now? Oh, you're trolling me! I thought it was so there was nothing on. So it's double sound on your side, right? But it's not double on like it's everything is fine. It's everything is right. You scared me. I started checking all my audio sources. Also, I found this cool thing. Okay, I was setting up my camera, and this is like the randomest thing ever. But I don't know. Let me know if this looks amusing to you. So there's this cable, and then when it moves, it looks really trippy. Maybe because I guess it doesn't look as cool anymore. But earlier it looks like it's like expanding, and I don't know why that was so satisfying. Cause I was like, oh, I don't know why. Okay, it's kind of dumb. I don't know why I stared at that for a little bit. It looked cooler on my screen. I think because it's a bit more zoomed out. And then there's the effect of like it looking like it's pulling and pushing. Because at first it was moving on its own, and I was kind of freaked out. And then I realized, oh, I kicked the cable. That's why. But hello, I'm so sorry I got sidetracked into oblivion so early too. But hello. Hello Sputnik, hello Peril, hello Kimo, hello Variki, thank you so much for the gift sub. Hello Mono, hello Coffee Break, hello Adi, hello Minami. Minami is also making a comeback soon, right? Wait, did you are you back to streaming too? I'm so glad to see you. Minami and I both took a break at the same time, and then now we're both back. Hello Matt, hello Lekaro, hello Archimedes, hello War, hello. Will they learn? Do we get to program today? I'm not sure. So the goal today is to get this screen working, and then to like put the rest of the keyboard pieces together. But I'm not sure how to do that. I don't think there's programming involved, unless we make like our own pixel by pixel GIF, like a simulation sort of. Where each cell, kind of like Game of Life, and then we can have Game of Life. We can program Game of Life, or like have a 3D cube, and then have the 3D cube like rotate in a 3D space, like and it's just like a GIF of a 3D cube spinning. That would be some really fun programming. That takes me back to my visual computing classes in college. Using Canvas and then programming all of that. Will, thank you so much for the sub. And hello Kimo and Nihon as well, and Namin not and Kate Turn. Kate Turn says mini TV on a keyboard sounds like ideal place for. Oh my gosh, Kate Turn, you're right. That sounds like an amazing idea. I'm like have a Tamagotchi, like a little. Oh my gosh, that would be so adorable. Like a little Tamagotchi, and then we use this button to feed. It's like food, water. It's like oh, it's hungry. That's like the most ADHD thing. Like what do you call it? Stimming, right? It's like a way to stim. Like when you're working on stuff and you're getting bored, it's like, work is so boring today. Oh, look at that! My pet needs food. Feed. Like, boop, there you go. And then like, oh no, my pet died. And then you're just like sad, and then it's like, now I have no more mood to work anymore. I'm gonna call it a day off. You know what? I'm done with work. Yeah, goodbye. Goodbye, coworkers. Goodbye, boss. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go cry myself in bed. Yeah, a Tamagotchi on the keyboard. That is an amazing idea. That would be fun to program too. Yeah, I'm not sure how the screen works. So that's what we're gonna find out today. Hello, Billabin. Hello, Sangjin. Thank you for the sub. Hello, Frozen Dreamer. Yeah, we got the down arrow fix. We got the down arrow fix. We got the control. The left control working. So all the keys are working now. I'm so happy. Slime Geo, imagine if your programmer girl with you. All the stuff will be state-of-the-art furniture. Will it? Oh, you know, like all the programmers in anime are usually like degen in the dark. Lots of trash. Lots of trash lying around everywhere. Usually, really smart but can't take care of themselves. I don't know. I guess you'll have new furniture. Trash furniture. Trash bags that you can sit on. Yeah, VTuber came in. Hello. Yeah, on both YouTube, Twitch. Hello, not Mez. Oh, cat. Oh my gosh, Kater, now I want the cat in here, right here. What the cat, and then it'll be like, would you? Imagine playing what the cat on this. There's definitely programming involved if you want to get the OLED working. No way, really? Well, at least it sounds like you know how to do it. So I'm glad you're here. Don't leave me. And then will they learn? It's like, I guess I'm stuck here for the next 3 hours helping this baka. Simulation. That would be another good idea. Like have an ant farm, like a simulated. Yeah, some kind of like you know, if you ever like an aquarium sort of, where then you get to look at and it's like, oh, it's nice and cute to watch the fishies swim around. OCR, alright, 99. Hello, 50. Hello, Tilo. It's been I miss saying that. Hello, Blue Bear. Nice to meet you. Hi. We're working on keyboard today and adding an LED TV onto it. Do you have to build a new keyboard if it dies? I hope it. Don't say that. We just got all the switches and keys working yesterday. Don't jinx it. I like game dev. What kind of game dev? we're working on a project that was like open source where anyone can jump in. You might be if you're interested. I'm gonna do that sometime. Like have a game dev 2-day game dev stream where we try to really work on it and finish it. Virtual pets are a relatively simple game. That would be fun. Yeah, then it would be like combining both skills like game dev and hardware. Like software and hardware. That would be really cool. Oh, Silver Wolf! Oh! Hello! Kono! How are the servers doing? Not sure. Wait, which server? Alright, so I'm not sure where to start. Let's see. So I was gonna read some documentation. How do I know? I guess how would I know that it's on? Okay. Oh, is it this screen? Okay, so this one, the OLED is not working. The OLED is not enabled in the default firmware. I don't remember what the firmware was. Load the old firmware. Available on the QMK repo. QMK Nani? QMK repo. QMK repo? Firmware? Do I have it installed? QMK. QMK. I must have downloaded it because how else did I get the firmware? QMK. Which one is it though? This one? Oh! Senya! Hello! Thank you so much for the raid. Hello! How's your stream? Ice cream! I have no ice cream. I've been really wanting ice cream. Oh, how's Stariel? I've been really wanting ice cream, but I've been trying to eat healthier, so it's like, oh. Recently I've been drinking almond milk instead of regular milk. I'm also lactose intolerant, so I only recently found out that you can get lactate pills, so that I didn't know this whole time I've been just enduring the pain. I'll be like, wow, it's okay, ice cream is so good, it's worth it, it's fine. And then later on it's like, oh, my stomach, no. and then Tate told me like, there's like lactate pills that you can take before you drink milk that will help so that you don't get sick after. And I'm like, what? That exists this entire time. I had no idea, and I've just been suffering for no reason. Like how someone has told me just recently, cause they told me, oh, hello Leishan, hello Katsu, hello Bun. They told me that, did you know that modern cars or electric cars don't need warming up? Cause I told them, it usually takes me a while, and then I'll be late to things because I have to warm up my car, blah 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 blah. And then they told me like, wait, don't you drive an electric car? I'm like, yeah, now I drive an electric car, but before I was driving a hybrid, and I thought hybrids are like sort of like gas cars, right? So I will start up my car and sit in my car for like 10 minutes before I start driving. And then he laughed at me. And electric cars, right? I'm like, but it's not electric, it's a hybrid. And he's like, yeah, that's electric. And I'm like, you're telling me this whole time, for the past 5 years, I've been sitting in my car for every single time for 10 minutes. I've even been late to things because I was warming up my car. That's how I feel when I learned about lactate pills. It's like, you're telling me this now? This whole time. I'm like, what did I sit in my car for? What did I waste all this time? It's like 5 years. Let's see. Let's say if I drive at least 5 out of 7 days, and then 10 minutes every 52 weeks times 10, 520 minutes per year. The numbers are the numbers are getting so sad. 520 times 5 is a long time. That's many hours of my life that I wasted and will never get back. All this time, all this milk that I drank and ice cream that I had and suffered through, not knowing you can just take lactate pills. Questioning my life right now. It's like but welcome. Yeah, I didn't know. Yeah, my friend was like, you baka. They laughed at me for a good like 2 minutes because they're like, how this entire time? How did you waste so much time just sitting in the car? And then like awkward neighbors walking by, like giving me a look like, huh? I wonder if they knew. And then it's like, she's in a maybe they thought I'm just like setting up my GPS or something. Hello you. Hello Baba. First time I've been calling you Baba. Baba. Baba the Great. Hello. How's your stream, Dragon? What Dragon Raid? How's your stream, Real? Mina. Oh, was playing Phasmo? Phasmo? Are they still updating it? It was so scary. Informatics engineering when I'm choosing majority in the past. Oh, hello, Sir RPR. Nice to meet you. But yeah, Real, I just found out recently that you don't need to warm up electric cars. I thought that battery. Okay. I get that a battery starts right away, like, but then even phones take a while to load up. I guess it doesn't like warm up. Now that I think about it, but doesn't the other parts of the car need warming up? Especially for a hybrid, I'm not sure. Hello, Herbular! Oh, nice. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah, we're multi-streaming on Twitch and YouTube now. I'm glad to see more YouTube friends, cause yeah, it feels like really nostalgic. Like it really reminds me of when I first started streaming, and it's like the first few people from YouTube. So what we're trying to do today is we're gonna figure out. Yesterday we got all the keys working, and then today we're figuring out how to set up this little LED TV right here. But I am a little lost and reading documentation now. I think QMK. I'm guessing this is what I need. QMK firmware. Actually, I do remember installing this. I think I did download this. uh QMK firmware. How would I what would the TV be called? Hardware. LED matrix? Are you I didn't know that! It would be C. Why does it have to be is it really C programming? I didn't know I'd have to program in C. C and assembly? Okay, the professor that I had for C and assembly was like one of the worst rated on Rate My Professor. so okay, no assembly at least. Okay. Just C. But yeah, because of him, C and assembly has a very special place in my brain. Okay, so hey, listen. Oh, alright. Take care, Mono. No worries. Yeah, thank you. He didn't have chili pepper. I'm studying programming. Nice. What are you learning? Oh, nice. It's been raining. Alright. Good night, Senya. Bye bye. I should do the bye bye like the bye bye sound effect, huh? Bye bye. I don't know how does it sound. Bye bye. I forgot that's my voice. That's me. I forgot about that. I thought that it was a sound clip this whole time. OLED firmware on the QMK repo. Okay, so I think I need to download the firmware again because I don't remember where I saved it. Did I just download? Setup? Config? Where's the releases again? Releases. Oh. So I think we just get this. All that stuff in VIA? What is VIA? Just follow the noob section on the docs. Noobs. There's really a section for noobs. Search. Noob. Building your first firmware. Oh. On one hand, it's like, wow, there's so much that you can do and learn, and it's a little bit overwhelming. But this reminds me of like, when I first learned about Linux, and like, wow, you can customize so much. You can build your own windows and like determine where you want all the buttons to be, and I had so much fun decorating and like adding widgets to my desktop. That was so fun. This is what it reminds me of. Nope. Flashing for. Okay, so we did this part. Oh, but I didn't I didn't build a custom one. Oh, I see. We are building a custom one because the custom firmware is what we're going to flash to get the custom LED, right? I don't remember. Where's the noob section? I think that's it. This is the noob section. Config step by step. Oh, that's for keyboard layout. Okay. Alright. Setup. Prepare your build environment. Try to make QMK as easy as possible. Oh no! I'm streaming on Windows. I need to install QMK. The latest release is available here. Okay. I'll set up on everything on her OS to have jiggle physics. That seems like a lot though. Isn't that too much? Oh, yeah, I understand, Kevin. That's hard though. Front end is hard. Oh, dealing with CSS is such a pain. At first, I thought that I would love. I wanted to be a front end developer at one point in life. I was like, that seems fun. Cause I like art and I love programming, so it's like, well, it seems like, the in between, like being able to combine some sort of creative, element or visual element with programming, but then after trying it, like I don't know why. It's like I add this button and it's like now it's not aligned. Like I want it to be like aligned with this 4 right here, and then you like shift it and it's like a little bit past, and then like it just won't line up perfectly, and then pain. Like why is this line not touching, but this line is touching? And it's like Okay, where were we? Okay, I downloaded QMK MSys. Right. I hope I don't have to restart my computer. Centering on the visual need to? Okay, okay. Real goal is to be full stack. I did full stack, but it was more for like an internship. Yeah. So I was a full stack for a while. Did a few projects, but yeah, I was like, I'm gonna go back to my courses now. I don't know if web dev is my thing. Goodbye. And then I left. Oh yeah, Tala found the YouTube. Yeah, centering. Centering divs is such a pain. I think cause I used to do visual computing. And okay, so in the background I'm installing QMKMC, so it's just extracting and letting it do its thing in the background. I found it yesterday. Tala said, "Oh, nice, nice." And so what was I gonna say? Now I forgot. My brain went back. Blank. Oh yeah. So before I used to do like visual computing, right? So it's like graphics programming. And I think it's similar to front end, where it's like you can tell visually, you're like, this looks wrong. This is obviously not correct. But then you try everything and you don't know why. It's like it's so hard to debug because you don't know why. There's no errors, there's no warnings, there's no like, you can't step through the same way with the debugger and like see step by step what. Yeah. It's like this looks off, but why? Why? Mm. Yeah, like shaders and adding shadows, doing like Instagram filters, like adding a blur and making like pixel effects and like sharpening an image, blurring an image, censoring stuff. And then what else did I learn? Like how to convert 2D images into like a 3D model. And like image recognition, like being able to scan an image and tell what it is, or like scan an image and then let me know what the most popular color or like blended color is. That kind of stuff. But yeah, one of our projects was like a bunny. I guess it's like a popular 3D model used to test graphic stuff. It's a cute bunny. Okay, QMK finish installing. Yeah, this bunny. It's like the tutorial bunny sort of. Oh, Stanford bunny. Is that what it's called? Stanford bunny. It's like a famous 3D model bunny. And then um and then part of my project was to work with this model and um test with like different types of lighting. So like one effect is supposed to make like the sharp type of shadows, whereas if you use a different algorithm, then the shadow should be like blurrier and not as crisp. Um, and it was like just full staticky. And like looking at the bunny, I can tell like, okay, the shadows are all static, and I know it's wrong, but I don't know why. Yeah, that was so such a pain. Yeah, it looks so cute, right? Okay. Now I downloaded it. Now what? Where is it? QMKM. Is this? Oh, wow! This looks very Hackerman's. Hmm? Why is it hard to share? Oh, oh. Let me see. Window capture, window capture. Oh, there! Now it's working. Okay, this is what it looks like. Whoa. Very cool. Yeah, I want to make it like this so I can. There we go. Okay, now what? Welcome to QMKM sis. documentation if you have not already done so. Run QMK is set up to get started. Kill. Do I have to type run? I think QMK is the command, so no. Oh, yes. Oh! I thought I almost shared my name for a second. I was like, oh no! Now you know my real name. But now you know. This is my real name, Marinth. Okay. I sweated a bit. Yeah, I'm the real Mary. Careful, or do this in VM. But then, if I do it in VM, when I flash it, would it be okay? After 4 years, how many times have I doxed myself? I think definitely more than the number of fingers I have. A spoonful? It's not very wow. Oh yeah. So I still have a bunch of stories to share from yesterday. Since it's been a while since I streamed, I have all this pent up stories that I just have to let go of. Oh yeah. So I shared about how we went for Tay's birthday, and then Tay sang Golden Shower instead of Golden Hour, and then Yatcha took me to so oh yeah, I didn't share this part. So while I was hanging out with some friends in LA, they took me to this game bar. And they had like a bunch of retro arcade machines, and it was so cool. They had Tron, like the full cabinet and everything. I've never seen it before. I love Tron the movie. And I heard that there's like a Tron Disney ride, but I've never been on it before. And that is goals for sure. Like one day I really wanna go on the Tron ride. Cause I think it's in Disneyland Orlando only. There's a lot of those in LA. Yeah. But this one had like a bunch of like how do I explain it? They connected the cabinets and casted the screen onto a projector. So if you're just to sit around the bar and look up, you can watch everyone's games, and there's a lot of fighting games, so that was really fun, like being able to just sit down with a drink and chat and then like watch 5 different fighting game matches at the same time. Yeah, that was really fun. And then and Yanja is so good at Street Fighter 2 v Capcom. Oh, no. So I just combined 2 games. It was Marvel v Capcom. Street Fighter 2 and Marvel v Capcom. Yeah, she was so good at Marvel v Capcom, and it was so fun just watching and rooting for her. Alright, what's happening now? Cloning into... Oh, is it still running? Sub-module path. Cloning. I hope it doesn't show more folders. It looks safe so far. Alright. Yeah. But that was so nice. And then on the walls they had like really cool art too. Where's my phone? Let me like share it with myself so I can show it on stream. Hmm. I have to scroll through my pictures, so I should have looked for it beforehand. Anyway, sometime I'll show you. But they had like Chun-Li and is it the Hulk? Is that in the same game? He looked like the Hulk. It was like an art of Hulk v Chun-Li on. Oh yeah, cause it's Marvel. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, like Hulk fighting Chun-Li on the wall outside. It was so cool. But it was raining, and so they had this really cute outdoor area that's like they had like the fairy lights and like outdoor hanging lights outside and oh, it's Cammy. Oh, my bad. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't know video game characters. Okay, QMK is ready to go, but minor problems are found. What problems? We do not recommend a VRGCC nearer than 8. Downgrading to 8 is recommended. I remember GCC, but I also forgot GCC. It's been so long since I touched GCC. How do you do this again? Okay. Should I downgrade? How do I down? I have to download GCC 8. I'm on 12. Maybe it's fine. It says recommended, and then you can ignore it. Okay. Hello, Meta! Warning, ignore warnings type beat. Hello, Cinco! Hi. Oh, hello, Fallen King! The arcade is called... I don't remember what the arcade is called. Give me a sec. It was in Little Tokyo. Oh yeah, I could just show you the actual pictures of the arcade itself. Huh, I didn't think of that. This one, 82. Is it? This one! And then this is the outdoor area! It was so cute. And this was the barcade. Yeah, at night it looked like this. It was so nice. And then above this bar area, all of these are like projectors. I don't know how because the cabinet is over here. My head is blocking it. But this cabinet is connected to this projector, which I was like, wow, that's so cool. I didn't know that you can do that with retro arcade machines. Or I wonder if they had to change the TV to be like an LED, like a more modern TV, so you can cast it. Or how does that work? Yeah, that was really fun. This was like the bar area. Yeah, very cool. And then I wanna show you the art outside. 82 LA. Eh? Outdoor. Oh, here! This one! Oh, it's not Hulk! It's not Hulk! I don't know the game. Blanca? Oh, it's Blanca! I remember he was green. Yeah. Oh! Some local arcades that have Waka connected to public fan. Hulk pill. Yeah, kinda Hulk-ish. Okay. So let's move on. Oh. Okay. I installed it. Advanced. Yeah, advanced. It's not recommended. If you like to manually install. Is it that advanced? I thought you just copy paste this. Run QMK setup. Oh, okay. Maybe I should reduce the opacity so you can read it better. It's still kind of hard to see. I think it's the gray on gray. My bad. Alright, so now run QMK setup. Found firmware. Ah. Okay, ready to go. In what situations? Answer why. Wow, very noob friendly. Meta, we're gonna make this screen work. We have this like small LED screen, and this is how it's supposed to look. Be fine. Yeah, it's supposed to have this cute LED screen on top, and then when you type, it'll have a little gift playing. And it'll be really cool to have like a Tamagotchi. Maybe we can make like a mini game. But then wait, but now you're kind of scaring me. Are you telling me if I want a Tamagotchi on the LED screen, I'd have to program in C and then make a game in C? How hard could it be to make a Tamagotchi? You need to store every frame. Well, that part's not too bad, is it? Cause yeah, we need that part makes sense. Cause you need to store what each image looks like for the pet. But we could make a simple. We could make like sitting up and then lying down when it's like sleepy, like just idle, and then there's like ZZ on top. Well, is there a limitation though? Like, could we store 50? You won't have enough. We'll just have like a, let's see, like a sleep. Like lying down, sitting down is like the default, and then like hearts when it's happy. Lying down with like the ZZ when it's sleeping, and then like hungry, like sad. Maybe like 4 or 5, maybe. Yeah, I know. I hope I. Yeah. When will they learn said there's no assembly involved, so at least there's that. You like the knob? I took out the knob because I wanted. Oh, I remember why I took out the knob. I wanted to add cute keycaps. Yeah, and I wanted more keycaps. What would you do to take care of it? Well, you'll just press this button to feed. Like, feed. It's just a fidget toy. It's a very, over the top fidget toy. but it'll be a cute fidget toy. Alright, where were we now? Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I keep sidetracking. Alright. QMK setup. Test your build environment. Now that your QMK build is set up, you can build a firmware for your keyboard. Start by trying to build the keyboard's default key map. It, will I mess up the current format? I think it already is. Maybe should I run it just in case? QMK compile dash KB keyboard. Ah. Oh, I have to type the keyboard. I see. It's a nibble. How would I know the names? Revision 3? How would I know what mine is called? Would it be like nibble 65? Is there like a search syllabus maybe? Nibble. What are key codes? Let driver. It should be here, right? In this keyboard. Should tell us. KMK config. Let's see what is nibble. Null bit support. I don't know if we need to. Do we need to? Load the OLED firmware. Cause the keys are working, so I think the firmware is already flashed onto it. So maybe we can skip this step. Do we need this? Cause I don't know what this would be, this part. The keyboard part. I could guess. Nullbits call / nibble. Oh! Nibble. No. Bits call. in the nipple? Guide. Where'd you see that? Now it's support. I don't know. How'd you know? Just pulled it out of thin air. I was like, what? Okay. Firmware size is fine. How many? Yeah. We have 10,000 bytes. Will that be enough? 10,000 bytes is 10 megabytes? 10 kilobytes. 10 kilobytes! 10 kilobytes! Might not be enough to store a Tamagotchi, huh? Maybe. We'll see. Maybe you can have just two modes. Happy and sad, and then every time it's sad, then you feed it. That's kinda lame though. Megabytes. That's too many. Yeah, kilobyte. Assembly, no! No! No assembly! Okay. When it's done, then... This person only has 2,000 bytes. At least ours has more. Yeah, theirs only has 2,000 bytes free. Alright, building your first firmware. Now that you have set up your build environment, you are ready to start building custom firmware. Oh, hello, Sequel! Now that you set... Okay, for this section of the guide, we'll bounce between three programs. Your file manager, text editor, and terminal window. File manager, and terminal window. Okay. Okay. Configure your build environment defaults. This is pretty fun, actually. Oh. To set the default. Wow. There's so much to like keyboard customization, huh? I didn't know that there's like a lot of software elements as well. I thought that a lot of the keyboard building community is more hardware nerds. But wow, I didn't know there's so much. It's all embedded. Oh yeah, embedded, because it's not software. I can... Let's do that now. Like working with QMK OS, TDS. Most people new to QMK only have one keyboard. Can set this as your default with the QMK config. Do I need to? Do I need to? Will this like remap my existing keyboard? Hello, Min! Wow, it has been a long time. How have you been? No. I think yesterday I messed up my regular keyboard a bit. Cause is it fine now? Seems to be fine. Oh yeah, I think. Oh, it seems to be working okay now. Yeah, yesterday my caps lock was acting kind of funny. Been good, nice. We're working on a keyboard right now, Min. We have this keyboard that we built from scratch and soldered and everything, and then now we're trying to get this small, cute little LED TV working. I'm sleeping. Oh, okay, okay. Rest well. Mm. Make sure not to put your phone in a like right next to the bed where when you wake up you dock your phone down and then do you do that a lot? I like to fall asleep with my phone and then in the middle of the night I'll like yank my phone off the bed and I'll go like bah onto the ground. And then I'll be like, sorry, neighbor. Sorry, neighbors. I'm downstairs. Apologies. I didn't do it on purpose to be like, are you serious, Mary? At 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Hello, Tay. I was just sharing about the game bar that we went to together. When you fall asleep, your phone falls on your face. Yeah, or that. I flung on my phone onto the floor, rolling over my sleep. Yeah. You just hope that you didn't crack your phone. Mhm. Also, Art. I didn't say hello. Hello, Amki. Hello, Art. Must be dangerous. Configure and build environment defaults. Can configure your environment to set the defaults and make working. Okay. Doesn't it already use the default key map? I think we can skip this and go straight to the LED part. This is cool though. Like, how do you customize it? Like now I'm curious. Open key map C. Oh, that makes sense. Oh, so then you make a key map file, and then you have a key map file, and then. Oh, is it like a 2D array? Wait, now I want to see it. Wait, now I want to see. Where do I find this key map file? Create a copy of the default. How do I see the current existing key? I just want to look at it. Is there like a help? Oh. List. Key maps. Cam K list key maps. Oh. I don't have a keyboard. Oh. Oh. I'm really bad. I don't remember all like the commands to filter, like find. There's probably commands to do this that I'm not utilizing. I don't remember. Yeah, I really forgot everything. Uh, 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 uh. Now this calls. Oh yeah, it's the same one. Okay, okay. Slash nibble. Shouldn't we have already added it then? Oh. Okay. Currently defined. Okay, so it's defined key maps for a specific keyboard. I just want to see it. Keyboard info. Where? How do I see all the files? Do I do L? Okay, I'm gonna try type ls. No, no, no. This would list out. It's in my desktop. That what is? No, that's my desktop. Desktop. Where? Where would I find? Would ls work? don't think so. Do I have to make a new one? You wanna create a copy of the default key map if you configured. I guess we can make a new one and just not flash it. Okay, let's do that. I'm just curious. I just want to see what it looks like to make a new key map, even though it has nothing to do with our TV. New key map. Generating new key map. Is my volume softer? Oh, is this better? I felt like it was really quiet. You need to make it a Japanese keyboard. Oh yeah, I do have that's part of why I picked this keyboard and keycap set, because it has the Japanese katakana, or this is hiragana. Yeah, hiragana on it. Yeah, because I figured I kind of want to learn how to use the keyboard to type in Japanese. Also because it looks cute. Okay. I've always been on the quieter side. Is this better? Is this better? Yeah, that's me shouting when I'm thinking I'd probably go back into like this volume. Alright, good night, Min! Using Roman G layout to using GP keyboard layout? Wakan. What is Wakan? Oh. Alright, take care. What did we do? Generating. Oh yeah, we made a new key map. Select keyboard. Keyboard name. Now bitsco / nibble. Name your key map. Wow, it even fell from my GitHub. I'm so glad I made everything Marin, so I don't dox myself. Hello, Nolly. Yes. No, I meant that's my username. I just created a new key map called Y. Sure, this is fine. This is fine. Hello, Fallen King. Hello. Oh yeah, the arcade that I was mentioning earlier is called 82LA. Now you can just navigate to there to see the defaults. Yeah, I want to see it. Okay, compile a new firmware. I don't want to compile it. I just want to look at it. How do I open it? Open? I could have just looked at this too. Key map overview. That's so cool, but I want to see it. I want to see it. I want to see it in the terminal, though. This is like cheating. It's like this is like looking at the exam answers. I want to see it like in my terminal. In not terminal. And this is my console. QMK MSys is a. What is it? Is it a driver? It's embedded firmware. Is a firmware? No, but the firmware is what you launch onto it. QMK is a build environment. No. Is it a small OS? just tools. Oh, it's not like I see. Oh, I see. It's like I understand. I understand. It's like when you run Python in the terminal. But no, but it opens a new its own thing, kind of like PowerShell. Is it a shell? It doesn't feel like a shell, is it? Like is QMKM the shell, and then QMK itself is like when you run Python in the shell, and then it has its own like libraries. Yeah, and it has its own commands and tools and stuff that comes with it. It comes with Bash. Oh. Oh. Yeah, I don't remember the. That's why when there was that long list earlier, I was like, I don't remember my Bash commands. Just console mode in it. So how do I open the key map? Okay, so we made a key map. I wanna open it. I wanna see this inside here. What do we type? Console mode? Keymap.c? Do we do GCC keymap.c? I forgot everything. Oh, alright, it's it opened it here. It was called Y. Y.c. GCC Y.c. Do I have to? How do I open it? We made it here. CD to the directory. Okay. Okay, Y. And then GCCY. Permission denied. GCCY dot. Yawn cat. Oh. Oh! Oh, I see. Oh. What? A bunch of errors. Error includes file name or file name. Oh. Is this the actual map? It looks ugly. Why are there so many errors? Unknown type name bull. I feel like maybe I'm missing something. Maybe I'm missing a library. Or it doesn't even know what an int is. Maybe I'm missing something. Oh, or open it in I. Oh, I see. I don't have it. Oh, so I see. I understand. So maybe I can open this in like, okay, in like the. Okay. I understand. So. I copy this path and then open it in gosh, I hate it when all the slashes are backwards. C slash users backslash. Because I copy pasted it into my. Flip all the slashes. Okay, and then Y. And then open. Oh! I think I did it! Okay, okay. So I opened it. In. Oh, there! Am I doxing myself? Okay, should be safe. Ta-da! Oh, now the scale is weird. Okay, kind of scuffed, but yay, we can see it now. Oh, oh! Layer names. Layer names. What are layer names? Custom key codes. Oh, I see. Yeah, so I'm guessing these are all the keys. Oh, so this is probably the 2D array. Is it? Yeah. Because the space bar is down here. And it's like QWERTY. Oh, so if you were crazy. Oh, is this for like people who want to make those really weird, what's it called? Dwarf keyboard layout instead of like the QWERTY layout? Dvorak, yeah! Yeah, for weird people who use Dvorak. I'm sorry, Dvorak users. I just don't understand. I'm sure you're way more efficient than like 99% of the world, but still, we still judge you. You can make whatever layout, yeah. Yeah, that's true. For for Vim using people. That's true. Wow, that's really cool. That's like one way to troll your friend. Oh my gosh! What do you think? Okay. So originally, when I built this keyboard, right? when I built this keyboard, like cooking up evil plans right now. So, when I built this keyboard, I was thinking like, well, I just wanted to build the keyboard for myself because I wanted to learn how to make a keyboard from scratch, like solder it and everything, and understand how it works and stuff, and learn new skills. That was part of the reason why. And also to make a Marin's theme keyboard, because how cool is that? And then one of the suggestions that a friend told me was like, what if you raffle it off? Like, put it on your merch store and be like, it's one of a kind. Marinth herself, soldered every single switch, piece by piece, painstakingly, as shown on stream. and then, like put it on my merch store and you can buy it. But then, what if I raffle it off and then, or put it on the merch store and a crewmate buys the, oh, we can, It'll be interesting to auction it for like charity, right? Right? Since it's like one of a kind, it's like the highest bidder, and then we all the proceeds will go to like charity or something. Yeah, yeah, auctioning. That would be interesting, right? And then so this is my very would this plan, if we were to auction it for charity, would this plan be for good or for evil? Like on the moral scale, you know, like the chaotic, what's it called? Alignment chart. Okay, let me share my idea, and then you can tell me if this is pure kindness or pure evil. Okay, so we auction it. We auction it. I make nothing. Everything goes to charity, right? And there's like a 10% chance that whoever wins this keyboard gets it, and then realizes, oh my gosh, this key is kind of sticky. It doesn't really work. It only works like half of the time. So there's that issue, and then we flash our own custom key map. Where like M is E, and then S is P, and then L is X. We like scramble up all of the keys. So someone, you know, we have an auction, and people are like, I will pay $100. I'll pay 150, 200, 250. I'm going twice. Like those auction. How do people do it? Like, I'm going for 300. I see 400, 500, 1,000. I don't know how much crewmates are willing to pay for this pretty jank keyboard made by a certified noob keyboard person. and then once they received it and have paid X amount of dollars on it, they plug in the keyboard and all the keys are scrambled. Cause we're like, key map it. We'll key map it, and then we're like, just put like, oh, let me go, you know, this O over here. Yeah, this is now a S, or everything is X. Everything's like just SEX. Or like Mimi. Yeah, every single key is M. Yeah, you can only type. Every single key is a macro that opens my Twitch stream. Can we put macros? How do macros work? Ooh, that would be evil. That would be pretty evil, no? You got a keyboard, and every key just leads you to my stream. Yeah, but how? But we don't know what type of browser they use. So how would we make a macro? It'll just like default to Chrome, I guess. Chrome is like, oh, just as I was asking that question, custom macro. If event pressed, visit twitch.tv slash Marins. Yeah. Every single key just leads you to my stream. And then it'll be like a crewmate test where it's like, yeah, on one hand you got a super cool one of a kind, only one in the world keyboard. And I plan to make like custom keycaps for this too, so it'll really be like one of a kind. Yeah, and it's made by me. And then you plug it in, and you can't use it. And then, in order to use it, you have to remember everything that we discussed and learned on stream and apply your skills to fix the keyboard. That'll be pretty fun, no? I'll be like, let's see if you are really paying attention. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. That's like assuming you have Microsoft too. Microsoft. Um, but yeah, like if you were running on Linux and you didn't have. But most people use Chrome though. But yeah, I don't know if the macros would work on all. That's a good question. Would the macro work? Hello, Cindy. Nice to meet you. Mary is slowly becoming scarier than the devil. That'll be pretty funny. Make them go to different links on your YouTube store. It's gacha. Make it a gacha game, and then each key you're like, wonder what this button does. It's like J goes to Patreon, and then P goes to the store for no reason. Like there's no order at all. It's just every key is just random. It's like, and then one key is like, oh, this is her OnlyFans. That'll be maybe make it a little more worth the auction. It's like, oh, I found a secret website. No, I don't have one. I don't have one. I could make one. It will be a blank page. Yeah. And then only since it's a one of a kind keyboard, only you will be the only person in the world to have the link to the OF page. But it will be empty. It will be empty. Even less than the Patreon, which has 4 posts. The OF will have what other words start with F? What's like a game dev term that, like, thinking of like Unity or Unreal starts with U. What's like physics? Only physics. That still sounds lewd. It'll be something like very family friendly. Like, I don't know. I can't think of many words that start with the letter F. That's like hacky related. Features? Only features! Yeah, only features. Only functions! Maybe. Yeah, it'll be an Easter egg. Yeah, and then it'll be an ARG. By the way, Path of G, have you played my ARG? Wait, is it still active? Wait. Did I ever update it? I think it still works. Yeah, it does. Here's my ARG. Have fun. It doesn't make sense anymore because it's for my debut, but you can still get my debut date. Yeah, you can still get to the end of and see the debut reveal even though the debut is already over. Yeah, I'm not sure if all the steps still work, but it should still work. Okay. But wow, that's so interesting. Now I understand how key maps work. RGB config. This is so fun! This does remind me of like configuring my first Linux computer, like really customizing it. Oh, I really want to get the TV working, so and I sidetrack a lot, so I'm gonna put this aside for now. But I really want to make custom macros. I want to learn how to. Yeah. I actually want to add macros for these four keys so that they go into like my favorite streamers. That would be very cool. Yeah. Or feed, like the feed Tamagotchi feed button. Yeah, man. It's the code is. This is like the 2D array represents the keyboard, so you can see the QWERTY here. QWERTY. So if you want, you can like change and swap. So each, what is this called? Uh, key code. Each key code represents what button it maps to. So you have like space, alt, and then like Windows key, left control, caps lock, and all that. Yeah. Oh, it's a 1D. It's a 1D array. So, what does this part do? Layout. What does layout do? Is this like memory? No. Layout and C. Oh, I get it. This is when you press the function key, and then you can add. This is probably like empty, but if you want, you can press like function key and then press another key, and then so if you type function and then this one, it will be like a new key. I understand now. Yeah, for like smaller keyboards. Yeah, another layer. I see. So it's a yeah. Oh, very cool. Okay, now let's get to the LED part. Sorry I sidetracked, but we learned something new. Now I know how to get to the key map and open it and edit it. Alright. Key maps and layers. So you did this. Build your firmware. Do I need to build? KMK compile. I think we did. Oh yeah, we did. We compiled it. Flashing. I think we already did. I'm kind of scared to mess it up. Load file into QMK toolbox. Begin by operating the QMK. But I wonder if the firmware that is already flashed is the same as. Well, it should be similar. You need to make a rules.mk in that directory. Oh no. In here? In this directory? Probably go up one. Oh. Here? What's the path again? Probably here, huh? And nibble? And key maps. Oh. And then... Do I just do make rules.mk? Where does it explain this in the rules? Make file? Do I just do make like MK? Or you can look at the OLED one folder up. Oh yeah, let's do the OLED one. Oh. Wait, where's the OLED? CD OLED. It's maybe one more up? No. No. Ah, oops. What was it again? Nelbit's call. Oh yeah, Nelbit's call. Oh, and key maps. Oh, I see. What's in here? Oh, it already has the rules.mk. Should I open it in text editor? Repeat key, mouse key. Oh, this is something else. OLED driver? OLED driver. Implement the keymap.c file. Implement the OLED task call. This assumes your keymap has 3 layers. I need to make one? What is this layer for? Primary support. To enable the OLED feature, there's 2 steps. When compiling your keyboard, you need to add the following. Oh, to your rules.mk. Okay. So I open. I see. Keymaps OLED rules.mk. Okay, it's already enabled. OLED enable. Yes. Okay. But it doesn't turn on though. Then in your keymap.c file, implement the OLED task call. This example assumes your key map has 3 layers. Should I make another layer? Well, this is the OLED one, so maybe the file's different. Let me open it. Oh. Oh, whoops. Okay, now I have this. Yeah, there's only 2, so I need to add another one, right? Do we have to add another layer? It's the other layer. Oh, this is so cool! Wow, this is looking like... Oh no. Are you sure we don't have to do assembly? I don't think you need another layer. But that's so cool. So this is like every single pixel? Our memory address? What is this? The memory. Nibble logo. Oh, this is the logo. Oh my god, do we have to draw? Do we have to draw our Tamagotchi? It's a picture. We have to draw our Tamagotchi. One by one. Oh no. Oh, okay, that. Oh, for color. It's color? I thought that it's I thought the LED screen is just blue. I didn't know that it has color. Oh, it's full color. I don't know when I bought it. Yeah, it should just be black and white, like on and off, right? It might be yeah, the key, like maybe it's like percent or A or B or C. Hello, Krika Gamer. We're working on being able to add pictures onto this cute little LED TV. OLED. I should call it by its actual thing. OLED screen. So I have the program. Yeah, we're trying to figure out how to do that right now, or for the past 2 hours, but we're making progress. Okay. Now what? We open the file. Oh, right. Okay, continue. Alright, so this is enabled, and then we open the file. OLED driver. In your keymap.c file, implement the OLED test call. This example assumes your keymap has 3 layers. Test call. Where is this OLED? enable. Do we copy this part? Get highest layer. Oh, I see. So we ignore this case. Because we only have these two. Right line shortcut over adding the /n. Host keyboard status. LED LED state. Okay, so I think we copy paste, right? Logo example. In the default font, certain ranges of characters are reserved for our QMK logo. To render this logo to the OLED screen. Oh yeah, we should test that. I want to make sure it works first. We never turned it on. Yeah, and we have the picture already. You can compile the firmware in OLED. Use the following code example. Render logo. Oh, it has the example. Yeah, we have the logo. And this is in render logo. Are we calling render logo? OLED task user. Render logo. What calls this? Nothing's calling it yet. So, do we put it on like a macro? Or do we just compile and flash it? Compile and then it runs already? Oh! I'm so excited! I never got to see the screen turn on. Okay. Okay. So, do it this way. I should just make another window for... Because I keep switching the sources. I should just make another one for this part. Alright. Okay. Here. Compile the firmware in OLED. How do you do this? We just type compile. Let me look at the... doesn't hurt to compile. Compile. Do I go up one and then compile? OLED. I think it said in one of the tutorial. Oh wait, let me read the document. The documentation again. Compile. QMK compile. Do I have to go up one? Oh, thank you so much. Oops. Can I control? I want to cancel it, but I don't know if canceling it will break things. Can I just type control D? Control X? I don't want to break it. Control C? Yeah. Bryn, welcome. Thank you so much for follow. sure why I'm so sleepy today. I didn't have coffee today, huh? I didn't have coffee today, but if I get coffee now, it's really late, huh? Oh yeah, hello, Crook. Okay, yeah. I might end a little earlier, but I wanna at least like be able to turn on the screen and I see it working, and then and then we can put the keyboard together. And then I wanna adding Tamagotchi on too. Ah, that might be hard. I wanna at least if we were to make a picture, like a custom picture. What would it be? There's probably the Pata Pata cat gif might be somewhere online. Like maybe we can copy from them. Cause the cat gif is super cute. Or a chinchilla. Chinchilla with like a wagging tail. Okay, we're getting ambitious. Chinchilla with a wagging tail would be so cute though, like a two-frame Chunyo, and then it's like a running animation from the side, like a side view, and then every time I type, I just see Chunyo running. That would be so cute. That would be really cute. Feature creep. And then make Chunyu Tamagotchi, and then care more about my virtual pet more than my actual the real life Chunyu. Okay, it compiled, and then I have to flash it, right? I'll let that hex, and then now how do I flash it? It was in the tutorial. Flashing firmware. Flashing your keyboard. Do I do this? Or does plugging it in really work? Right? We have to flash it, right? Where it put the hex file? I think it put it in the OLED folder. It's better to have a prototype. It should have a reset button. Oh, so I can plug it in now? Right. Are we doing this? I'm nervous. I have a feeling it won't be that easy. Won't it be that easy? I think I'm missing some steps. Ja-ja-ja-ja! Nothing happened. And then I think, was this the reset button? Do I just touch it? Boop, like that. Boop. I'm breaking stuff. I bet. This is so nerve-wracking. Does it work? Can I type stuff? Nothing's working now. Not able to type. Not in bootloader mode. Yeah. So I think I have to follow these steps, huh? Put keyboard into bootloader mode. Hold down both shift keys. And what is pause? What is the pause? What's pause? What is pause? What's pause? Huh? P? Meow! It's so good to see you! It's been so long! I missed you so much! I've been lurking in your streams. You're so adorable as ever. Is Ababa. Favorite Ababa. How's your stream? We're building a keyboard. Maya is so cute. She's so adorable. Please and funny. Like when I join your streams, I'm just like genuinely, really having a great time. Like Maya's so funny. So I had to check out Maya. Also, Maya reminds me of Toho for some reason. And I recently went to Toho Fest. That was really fun. I haven't shared my Toho Fest stories. Now that I just remembered because Maya looks like she could be a Toho character. Played a good amount of Pikmin. How was it? Pikmin 4, right? Oh, the new one. Yeah, I saw the ad. It looks really cute. Yeah, my T-shirt is my logo, which represent hack your heart, like it's a heart with a console in it, and it's kind of like inspired by Persona 5. Like I'm steal your heart. I know it's cringy and lame, but that's kind of the idea. And that's why my first original song is called Hack Your Heart. Yeah. Cause I'm a hack your heart. Cringe. But yeah. We're welcome. We're building a keyboard together. Well, we already built the keyboard, but now we're gonna do something super exciting. This is like the moment of truth. So for the past 2 hours, we were scratching. I was scratching my head, like trying to figure out how to get this LED working. Ja-ja! So this is the keyboard that we built from scratch. I soldered every single pin, one by one, painstakingly. Made a bunch of really bad soldered pins and had to resolder. Had to resolder some of the pins because like some of the buttons weren't working yesterday. So I had to like, but we figured it out. We got all the buttons working now. Yeah, yesterday the down button wasn't working, and then left control wasn't working. But all of that is good now. It works. Well, now we just broke it again. But we will fix the software and the firmware. We made our own custom firmware, so all the keys work. Some of them are a little stickier, sticky as in like. It works half of the time. But it works. That's the most important thing. And we also learned how to make like custom key maps. So Maya, let me know what you think of this very evil plan. I was thinking, what if we auction this? We have an auction, and all proceeds go to charity, right? So I don't make any profit off of it. And one lucky crewmate gets to be the sole owner of a one-of-a-kind, very scuff handmade handmade keyboard. And then inside the firmware, we switch up all the keys because we learned how to do that now. In here, in the code, that's. Yeah, you can see like this is the keys, and this is like the array that maps where each key would be. So you can see the QWERTY like Q W E R. But then like what if we swap them all out? And then we make a macro, and then we make every single button go to Maya's channel. So no matter when you plug in the keyboard. Every single key will just go to Maya. It'll go to Maya's stream. Or like a random VTuber. It'll be like a VTuber keyboard. Each one will take you to like a random VTuber. It'll be like, what does this button do? Oh, this one's lewd. Yeah, VTuber roulette. That would be. Would that be good because we're doing it for charity, or would that be evil because like all the buttons are the keyboard itself doesn't work? But yeah, so what we're doing now, to make this tiny little cute OLED screen work. So when we plug it in, it turns on. Before all the keys, yeah, we kind of like broke the firmware, so we need to flash the new firmware. But yeah, for the past 2 hours or so, we're reading documentation, but I think we're ready to like test it and finally turn it on. So it's like moment of truth reveal kind of moment. But then, or you know, maybe it doesn't work, and then we sit here for another 2 hours, scratching our head and reading documentation for another 2 hours. But if this works, then it'll be cute. Oh, this is what it's supposed to look like. Assuming this is the keyboard, and look how cute it is. When they type, there's like a little cat, pata cat. It's just typing. Isn't that cute? Yeah. Maybe we can have Mia too. I don't know how to draw though, but that'll be adorable for sure. So that's what we're gonna see if we can get it to work. I just want to see if it turns on for now. If it turns on, that's already a win. So we need to figure out how to how to put the keyboard into bootloader mode first. But I don't know what pause is. Which one is the pause button? That would be so cute, Tay! You don't have a pause key, so just hold down both shift keys. Okay, hold down both shift keys and then press B. Unplug. Okay, I'm gonna follow the instructions. Alright. Alright. Hold down both shift keys and press B. Unplug your keyboard. I don't have that many hands. Do I have to hold it down? My hand's too small. Do I have to hold it down while I unplug? Or just hold it down and then unplug? Unplug your keyboard. Hold down the spacebar and B at the same time. Plug in your keyboard and wait a second before releasing the keys. There are different methods in a list. Eh? Press the physical reset button, usually located on the underside of the PCB. Located on the underside. Huh? Hello, camping! Welcome. On the underside. Reset button. A reset button. Reset button. Huh? Right under the microcontroller board. Under the board. Microcontroller. So right here. You mean the reset is like under there? Oh, this one. Is this the reset? Oh, this one? Locate the header pins on the PCB labeled reset and ground and short them together. What? Short them together while plugging your PCB. What? I don't understand this stuff. Locate header pins called reset and ground and short them together. short them together. Do we plug in a cable? Do we have a cable connected to each other? Each line is a different way to do it. Oh! No, it says try the following in order. Oh! Should I look in the nibble documentation? Because it's for this keyboard. Reset. Boot load. What is it called? Bootloader mode. Into DFU. DFU. Check what QMKM said. QMK toolbox open? No, I only have this open. Oh, welcome! Lash show? Leslo show. Welcome. And Ethan, thank you. Nice to meet you, Ethan. Thank you, Ferris. Do you have QMK toolbox? Man, I think QMK toolbox is a separate thing, huh? I don't have it. QMK toolbox download. QMK toolbox. It opened in Microsoft Edge and it's like it's in light mode. Oh my gosh. So bright. My eyes. It opened this. Oh my god, my eyes. QMK toolbox. Install to make life easier. Install. Oh my gosh, why is it opening? I'm gonna open it in Chrome because this is painful. Much better. Okay, QMK toolbox. Alright. Nice, just try. QMK toolbox. Okay. Next, install. Okay, I'm installing. Would you like to install drivers for your devices? Sure. This actually requires admin rights. Oh, maybe I have to open it as an administrator? Okay, let me close it and then reopen. Run as admin. Okay. Alright, now I have QMK toolbox, which looks like this. Now what? QMK toolbox. Support ISP flashers. Supported bootloaders. Oh! ARM? This is the first one, maybe? Oh, is this so that we know which bootloader we can use so we can Google what the keys are. Hmm? How do you know that? How do you know unplug and replug your keyboard and hit the reset? How do you know? Where did you get that? Is it from one of these? Like, it supports this, so then we know how to use this bootloader and what the shortcut is for that bootloader? Oh, okay, I'll try. Hello, Marie! We're working on getting this LED OLED screen working on this custom-made keyboard that we built. It will read off your keyboard. It should have a bootloader. You unplug and then replug the keyboard and hit the reset button. Oh, I see. And then it reads off the keyboard. Admel, DFU, Admel, DFU. So this one connected. Admel, DFU. So we copy this one into Chrome. Oh my gosh, why is it on light mode too? Why? DFU programmer is multi-platform command line programmer for Admel chips with a USB bootloader supporting ISP. And how do we do? We're looking for how to go into bootloader mode. How do we find that? Bootloader mode. Huh? Maybe since we know this is a Atmel DFU device, we can do Atmel DFU device bootloader key shortcut. Okay, it's the key code is QKBoot. Here are some ways to enter bootloader. Short reset to ground. How do we do that? Short reset to ground quickly. Oh, hello 97. 我也会说中文，可是我的中文拿到 F， 所以讲的不好。I got an F in all of my Mandarin courses growing up, so I can understand when my parents talk crap about me. That's the extent of my Mandarin. Like when they're talking about how this girl got laid off from her job and she is like getting to that age and she's still not married yet, and then they're like, 哎呦这个他很 when they're talking about me, I understand everything. But otherwise, when they're talking about news and stuff, I get lost. that is yeah, the extent of my I'm trilingual, but I think the other two don't really count. Yeah, right. I think those with 2 or 3 languages understand or can relate. Alright, pressing the reset button while plugging in the keyboard usually works if the firmware that already flashed has soft reset enabled. Holding escape while press reset button while plugging in the keyboard. Okay. So How do we know that we are in bootloader mode? Oh, that would be on MSIS? QMK MSIS? Megilon, hi. I think we tried this. Yeah, I speak English, Mandarin, and Indonesian. But I'm learning Japanese on and off. I think the main reason why I'm trying to learn it recently is I feel like my memory is getting worse and worse. Like, ever since I got out of school, I feel like there's not as much reason to memorize things anymore. So I feel like my memory is really bad. So I'm trying to learn a new language to like get some of those muscles going. Mm. Yeah, Staryan, it's good to see you too. Thank you so much for the resub. Bilingual at the very least. Wow, man. I think you're in bootloader mode or the. Oh, it was when I printed that line in QMK toolbox. It did. It did. In the toolbox. Oh, in the toolbox. Oops. In QMK toolbox. Oh, oh. The FU device connected. Does that mean it's ready? In bootloader mode? Okay. Oh! 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 We did it! Okay, okay. Flashing your keyboard. Okay, okay. We're one step closer. One step closer to the edge. And I'm about to break. Everything you say to me. I recently learned that that's called echolokia. When like you say a word and then it triggers like the song in your head. That happens to me a lot. Okay, so wait, I don't remember which window is which. Okay, this one. Alright, so now I wanna flash. Oh, thank you! Torn Fury, welcome, welcome. Knowing Indonesian would be cool. What would be cool to do in Indo? Could go to Bali. And try to get discounts. Like if you talk in Indonesian, they'd probably charge you less. If you talk in English, they'll be like, "Oh yeah, we can scam this person." Let's charge them 5 times the price. Especially for coconut water, because coconut in Indonesia is so cheap and you can buy it off the street where it's like you pull over to the side of the road and there's this guy with like a bunch of coconuts and like a hack knife, and then you point at coconut and then they'll like open it up for you like fresh and then and then put it into a plastic bag with a straw inside. And it's like the freshest coconut juice you've ever had. And it's like 10 cents, 20 cents or something. And I'll be like, oh, this person doesn't know Indonesian. That'll be $10. That'll be 200,000. Yeah, rupiah. Yeah. Because coconut water is really expensive in the US at least. Like here coconut water is $10 sometimes. Cause where do we don't have coconuts. So yeah. Learn Indonesian. Get the cheap coconut water. Hello! El Kolong! Colin Q. I always forget how to pronounce your name, even though it says it in your profile. El. It's so good to see you. Colin Q. Or El Kolong. El Kolong. I did pronounce it right the first time. El Kolong. It's so good to see you. El Kolong is so cool. I'm like the, how do you say it, like I like to think I'm uh, is it called a posse? Like a fake where I do tech stuff, but like I look like I'm doing tech stuff, but like really my brain head empty. But Ekolong is like the real deal. Like he knows so much, and like um and they're ASCII. Oh, look how cool! Look how cool their model is, and you can even watch. You can even watch on their model if you wanted to. That itself should be incentive enough for you to check them out, right? Right. So there you go. Mm. And yeah. I think I'm like a poser. I'm like poser hacker, and then Alcohol is like a real hacker that does like reverse engineering and stuff. I'm just like, my brain cannot compete. Maybe in 10 years I'll catch up. Oh, that's true, Sturgeon. It's so good to see you. I hope you've been doing well. Mm. That's true, huh? But then what if yeah, maybe I'll just make it so empty that it'll be like a vacuum, and then the emptiness and vacuumness of it will become like a black hole that'll just suck everything in existence, and then and then I'll have the knowledge of the universe inside. Yeah, that's totally, yeah. Or will it wait? Not really, because if a black hole sucked the universe, it's still a black hole. So, so I don't know if that logic works. Yeah, I think head will still be empty. Okay, we're so close. We have to finish this. I feel like we're so close. Um, we got into bootloader mode. Flashing your keyboard with QMK okay, with the toolbox. However, okay, we got the toolbox. Load file into QMK toolbox. Yeah, we're so close. I think just this much more into turning it on. Um, okay. So load file and by opening the QMK toolbox application, you want to locate firmware file in Finder or Explorer. I think I have it. Is the firmware file is the keymap.c, right? Keymap.c, I think. Oh, it's in one of two formats, .hex or .bin. It's nibble. Oh, I see it. I think. Wait, no, I don't see it. Where? In common? No, nibble? Config JSON nibble readme. Huh? Huh? Where? Where do I find the firmware file? You have to compile. I did already. In oh, I see. Yeah, okay, I see it, but I don't know how to open it in it's here. Yeah, we already made it to QMK firmware folder. But where is that though? Yeah, we have the hex file here. Eh? Is it hidden? Yeah, there. Where would it be? not see it? Config.h. No, it should be called this one. Maybe, I don't know my bash commands to do a find. Thank you so much. I know it's doable. I just don't know the. Thank you. I forgot everything. Thank you, Twiggly. Like I know that's what I need to do, but I'm like, how do you do it again? Oh yeah, find dot, right? It's like find in everything, and then this is like anything that ends with dot hex. I found nothing. Maybe go up. Yeah, it's not here then. Should I go up? Here. Oops. I'll just type it again. I tried to do shift insert, but I forgot which. Okay. I know this is painful to watch. Sorry. Okay. Oh, we found it! Thank you! Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Oh! There's a lot now. And the one we want is this one. Now this called nibble all. Now this called nibble all at hex. Okay, okay. And then we want to load that into QMK toolbox. There are commands you can use to easily open the current folder. How do I find the path of it? Oh, it's I see. Dot build slash. No, this called nibble all dot hex. Okay. And then, okay, I found the file. To open the current folder in Explorer. Open terminal. Do I type start dot? Huh? Okay. Once you have located the file, drag it into the local file box. Why didn't you just tell me it's drag and drop? What am I opening? What am I opening star dot for? Okay. Where do we go? Toolbox. Toolbox. And then, where do we drop it in? To local file. Oh, okay. It won't accept it. Do I have to change the MCU? Open. All in. Oh, there. Okay. And then flash? And then do we just type flash? But then, here it says success. Flash complete. Is that a good thing then? Maybe you just unplug and replug and it works. I'm so excited and nervous now. Okay, here we go. It's a good red? I don't know. Is it? Alright, please show us. LED, turn on. Ah, more red. Huh? Do I press no, reset will reset it again? Disconnected. Red. Yeah, it works. I can type in chat with it. The back glow is programmable, but the screen's not turning on. Oh, that's true. Oh, that's true. It does turn on. How come the LED didn't turn? I think because we didn't call the function. Right? Twinkly, thank you so much for the sub. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Maybe the backload is programmable. And then I think yeah, this is the file. In here, we have like a test render logo, and it's called render logo, and then render logo is being called by OLED task user, but this is not called anywhere. Do you wanna? Does it work if we? No. Oh! OLED enable. It is already well, it was in the other. Oh, that's a good point. Maybe it's not in this one. I did check if the OLED is enabled in. Let me try to remember. Maybe it's not in here. I don't remember how to check this. I think it was in. Nibble.c? No. No, this is nib. Oh, no. Eh? In rules, right? In rules. Yeah, this one. 97! 谢谢! Time to check if your OLED is soldered correctly. No! That's a good point! That is a good point. What did I connect it to? Oh, I see! Yeah, I see the pin! Oh, that's soldered terribly! Wait, one is not even soldered. Wait, who soldered this? Oh my gosh, I see it now! Oh, okay. We're figuring it out. This whole time, it's all my fault! It's all my fault! Okay, I'm gonna plug it out so the screen's not just code red. But, I do kind of see it a little bit. These are the pins. Oh, let me turn on autofocus. Okay. Mm. Yeah, you can see there's this pin. This pin doesn't even look soldered at all. I'm gonna remove the keycaps. Where's my Okay, I'm gonna just do really sadistic. No, no, no. I have a thingy. Where did it go? Okay. This is gonna make some people cry. Don't hate me. No, I don't think I can do it properly. It has to be here somewhere. Here's my keycap remover. My boo! Thank you, thank you. I'll be RB. Okay, I found it. Ta-da! Alright, pull it out the right way. Not break anything. Oh, that's so much easier. Okay. Alright. Hello! It's good to see you. Shift Control F finds something. Finds all file. Oh! Control Shift F. Control Shift F. But yeah, okay, now that we have it pulled out, you can see. Right? I think this pin on the left isn't even soldered on. Oops. That would explain things. Okay, okay. Time to turn on the solder. And I'm gonna turn the fan on so might hear some white noise in the background. It's just a fan for the solder. Now it's extra windy. It's like we're in a real spaceship. Now, how do I get in there though? It's so tiny. Probably need to wait for a bit for it to heat up. So yeah, A few weeks ago I went to Toho Fest and hung out with Cody and friends, and it was really fun because I didn't get a booth for Toho Fest. I applied too late, and then Cody was super sweet and was like, you can share a table with me if you'd like, and I'm like, really? I get to share a table with D, Cody, Yuki, and so we split a table. Man, I bet you love Toho Fest. Oh my gosh. I'm not a huge Toho Fest, and I'm not a huge Toho fan, and I had lots of fun. So I feel like for people who really like Toho, it's a small, really chill con. Is what I like to. Yeah, where seems like a lot of people who. It's like introvert con. Where it's like everyone can just geek out together. It's not attaching. Why? My sponge is not wet. Let me go wet my sponge a bit. Okay, hot solder. Maybe I should turn it off first while I. This is fine, right? I'll be super quick. Okay, I'm back. Hello, hello. We are trying to fix a pin right now. I think I didn't solder the LED TV correctly. That's why it's not even turning on. Yeah, at Toho Fest there is like this food truck called Okamoto Kitchen, and it's really cute. You should look it up. It's like anime food truck where they sell Japanese comfort food. And the truck itself is super cute. It looks like an Itasha with like anime mascots and everything. Right. I think I made the tip look good. But then I don't want to have to desolder the switch just to just to be able to get into just to be able to get into those pins. But it's so small and the angle is so awkward. I might have to, huh? It's hard to really get in there. This is really like surgery. this isn't looking good. Can you hit it from the other side? I think I did. What do you think of this side? Let me see if I can move it closer. Is it okay? Maybe not the cleanest. I'll try to like resolder it again. What is this? What is this one for? Maybe I broke it. Oh, this is just an LED light. Oh, I'm dumb. No, this is an LED. Okay, this should be okay. Yeah, these four are what controls the OLED screen, I believe. And it is pretty messy. I could try to resolder this side, but I think it's loose on the other side. It looks okay. Cause it never turned on before. Like even if we didn't program anything, it should at least turn on, right? Towards the edge of the board. Oh yeah, that one is kinda iffy. Hopefully that fixes it. Oh. I think the solder is very old. Like it's probably not good solder in there. Let's see. Oh, that looks a little better. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not even soldering on that thing. Okay. Come on. Eh? Oh, sorry. Okay. I don't know if the solder is oxidized. It looks shiny. Let me redo the last pin just in case. That one. It's not short circuiting, right? Ooh, a little bit sus. A little bit sus. But yeah, 9-7. We're trying to get the LED to turn on, but it's not turning on. I still want to put like a little bit of solder on this side. But I feel like I'm burning. You can see I'm burning a little bit of the switch. Do you think it's enough? Maybe the wire. Maybe it's on this end. Maybe it's this pin. These pins too. Is it enough to? I'm actually not sure. How's the yellow wire look? Little bit thin. I didn't solder this side. Should I have soldered this side? Yeah! Oh yeah, I need to get the flux tape! I forgot to get that. Should I solder this side? Just in case, like both sides? Going into, or maybe... The white one looks iffy. The rightmost white one. So yeah, we went to Toho Fest, and then Maple kept us fed because me and Cody were boothing, and so Maple Java was on that. Thank you, Maple, for making sure that we eat and not starve ourselves during the convention. And then Maple got everyone food, right? And so bringing it back, I don't know who dropped it, cause there were a group of us. And I don't know who dropped their food. And then I think is it a meme among Toho community about floor chicken? But I forgot who bought like actual chicken, and then they dropped it, and we're like, no, floor chicken. And we were so sad, Fallen King. We're really sad that it's like, oh no, we just bought this juicy, yummy, delicious chicken, and it fell right in front of the booth. At least it didn't fall on the booth, so that was the plus side. Floor chicken is the castle. Oh! Oh, that's so funny. Like out of all the foods, like we bought takoyaki, we bought like a grilled beef. What's it called? It was like a bento, and then out of all things, we dropped the floor chicken. We dropped the chicken, and then somehow on the second day, another one of our friends. Okay, so I think it was Cody. Cody got the chicken burger on the first day and then dropped it. And then I was like, no, my food. And also, Okamoto has usually at conventions they have this really long line because at the convention there's only 2 food trucks and the other one is not anime themed. And meanwhile, Okamoto looks like see. It's really cute. Let me show you. Kinda. Ta-da! Isn't it cute? And then there's a food truck with the mascot Haru and then the gyudon bento. Yeah, that's what I got. And then they had I think it was this one. Yes, yeah, the katsukari chicken. We got the takoyaki. Yeah. So I got takoyaki and the gyudon bento, and the takoyaki to share. And then Cody got the katsukari chicken, and then dropped it. And after waiting for such a long line too, only for it to drop right in front of the booth, like it's like 99% done with the quest, and then right as you're about to turn in your quest into the quest giver, it's like, no, I lost the missing pages, and it's like, now I have to go and do the super long quest to go in line, fight with all these anime convention goers for another chicken. And so, on the second day, Cody was like, I'm done with the chicken. I don't want to order the chicken anymore. The chicken betrayed me. And then Cody's friend bought the katsukari burger. And then somehow we dropped it we're just like, yeah, floor chicken. Floor chicken is cursed. Floor. Mm, it's just not meant to be. That chicken. It's not sticking. Is it too oxidized? I can't get it to stick. Eh? Why won't you stick? It won't stick at all. Is it not meant to stick? Maybe it's not meant to stick. Yeah, it needs flux, huh? It's too oxidized. That's what it looks like too, see? It's like did I ruin another tip? I already ruined one tip. This is my second tip. I should get one where I can replace just the tip. Oh, this one does, I think. Right here. Right, so I can replace it. Not sure. Not sure. This is what it looks like. It looks okay. Are tips fragile? Not really. They are hot though. They make things melt. The tip heats up and makes things melt. They stopped going to Panama because of all the hall policies on moving stuff. Huh? Really? Wait, I don't understand, Cowfish. Is it because their lines are too long? I don't know, it's not sticking. Maybe it just can't. Which pin did I mean I did did I resolder this side? I could try resoldering this side. I feel like cons are becoming a little too crowded for my taste. Like, Anime Expo is just so crowded now, and it feels like the past few years, cons are getting more mismanaged. I had a friend recently told me that she applied for a convention. It was for EX, and you'll think that like EX is such a big con, they should be managed decently well, right? Yeah, I wanna make sure I do this right. Okay. the brown a sign of oxidation? Cause before it had like, I don't know, it looked neater. But now the sides are kinda brown. You see? Does it mean that I oxidized it? Use the flux. We'll turn it on and then hope for the best. Do I need to wait for it to cool? Do we need to pull this? Maybe I didn't. No, I don't think so. You think maybe there's like a black film that covers the LED screen? No, that looks like a chip. No. No, I don't think I should pull it. No, I think that will ruin it. I thought it's like you know, peel to use type of situation, but it doesn't look like it. I think that's the chip. So should clean up with ice. I need to buy more stuff. Thank you, Gosing. Thank you so much. It's so good to see you. Okay, we're just gonna. We tried to fix it up a bit. Let's plug it in and see if it turns on. Alright, here we go. No. Where did we go wrong? 3 hours. 3 hours. We can't get it to turn on. Yeah. Yesterday was my comeback stream closing. We have a new camera. We're also on YouTube now. We're also streaming from a new apartment now. Yesterday was the first time streaming from the new apartment. And then my chinchilla Chunyo is in the living room, and in this apartment I have my own office, which is separate from the living room, so I don't stream in the same room as Chunyo, so you won't hear him running in the background anymore. Yeah. Do you have OLED code set to right display module? I'm not sure. Let me check. What do you mean the right display module? I like hearing Chinchilla. Yeah, now you're gonna miss Chunyo. This one? But yeah, Ghosting, we're trying to get this LED screen to turn on, but 3 hours later, it's still not working. I feel like we made so much progress though. Everything new and shiny. I also fixed a few like stream stuff. Remove our Oshi. I see how it is. Your Oshi's not me. It's Chunyu. I'm sorry. I'll pick up Chunyu. Now that I have my hand cam, I can have Chunyu here. Maybe when I don't have my solder on, I can bring Chunyu into the stream again. Oh, thank you. Chin cam. I also have a chin cam, but I'm not sure how to connect it, cause it's like my home security cam. Yeah, I have to see how to do that. Did I accidentally type this? Oh, oops. Okay. Yeah, Chinyu the chinchilla. It supports various I2C displays. Yeah, I think when will they learn? I was like, tired now. I'm sorry, it took forever. Sorry, when will they learn? Thank you so much for guiding me. for 3 hours. Thank you. I really, really would have been completely lost without you. And VT too. God, you have all code set to the right display module. Hello, Smell Mighty. Supports various I2C displays and use the right driver. Oh, scroll up in this file. Okay. Oh, is it because I don't have the license? No, no, no. I think that's just like a terms of use kind of thing. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the solder. Back to peace and quiet. Do I need to do the 3-layer thing? Maybe. I don't think I need to, but the OLED instructions did talk about having 3 layers. Like, assuming you have 3 layers. It was slower. Have enough OLED enable. Let me make sure. Yeah, this is the right rules.mk. It's under the OLED slash keymap. This is OLED slash rules.mk. I think it was my soldering. It should at least turn on, right? The OLED is not enabled in the default firmware. Load the OLED firmware. We did this. Maybe I didn't load it properly? No, but it does say flash complete. Maybe I didn't flash. No, Key toolbox. This one. I thought this would be so easy. Me too. Me too. I thought, make OLED picture and then upload it or flash it and then plug it in and we're done. I think it's my soldering. That would explain it, right? We did everything else. Alright! Yeah, we should test it with the multimeter. That's a good call. Then we can verify if it was really my soldering. I'm getting a little tired, so I might have to continue next time, but no! I really wanted to end the stream with the OLED working at least. Alright. So, okay. This is the test to see if I remember what we learned yesterday. We wanna check if there's... What do we wanna test? We wanna test if the power is going to here. So we have Yeah, and if it's not going to here, then maybe the connections here don't work. So we want to turn it to this on this side. I think. Yeah, right too. And then we wanna go to this one, I think. And then what would the plus minus be though? Because there's 4 pins. The bottom, the one above it should be power. So these two? Let me confirm with you. The bottom two? Before I break stuff? Oh. So it's not my, it's not soldering fault. Seems to be getting power. What is SCL and SDA? Should have a constant voltage there. Oh, oops, I'm pressing space. There, constant voltage. It was at 3 point something. 3.15. Clock and data. Oh! Alright, it was nice meeting you as well, G. Thank you so much for dropping by. Did you come from... Oh, you came from Mia's stream! Nice. It's nice meeting you. Mia's super sweet. Mia's always so nice to me. I need to read Mia back, but then she always ends earlier than me. Alright, take care more. Okay, so soldering. Okay, and if it's getting power. Oh, thank you, Easy. If it's getting power, then it's a firmware issue, right? I think brain doesn't have power. Let me check. Yeah, let me check if there's any energy left. It's at 0. See, it's off. No more power. I think it's time for bed. But I really want to get this working though. I thought that yesterday I thought we'd finish this project. The whole theme of my return is to finish the unfinished projects. And I thought that we would finish this yesterday. And then yesterday I was like, okay, tomorrow for sure. We'll get this tomorrow. Guaranteed. We just have to turn the LED on, duct tape these pieces together. And all done. But maybe I'll take one more stream. Next stream for sure. Next stream. I also feel bad for keeping you hostage. Especially everyone who's been here helping me for the past few hours. Thank you so much. So much for your help. I'm sorry to keep you here. When will they learn join the stream? And I was like, you understand? You know what's going on. Don't leave. Don't you dare leave. I was like, when will they learn? You're staying here, right? Up till the end. and you have, and you stayed the whole stream helping me. I feel like I let you down. I'm sorry. we tried so hard. I learned a lot though. We learned about how to assign keys and use QMK toolbox and flash firmwares. But in the end, it didn't even matter. But it will next stream for sure. I just feel really bad for keeping you here. Oh, thank you for and for everyone in chat as well. I'm really sorry that we didn't get it working today. I thought today for sure was gonna be the day that we finish it, but we'll finish. We'll finish eventually. I promise we'll finish. What keycaps is that? I don't remember. It was a keycap set that I got on Amazon just because it looks like my 3D model. I can look for it though. Oh, let me look for it, and then I can link it to you. Keycap. There you go. It's called Ocean Custom 123 Profile 123 XBX Profile. But yeah, we should end here. I have no more power. That's twinkly. You are. That's good. That means you're having fun. At least I finished. You did, Pathopsy. No way. You actually finished the ARG. Yay! I'm proud of you. Congrats. Now you know my debut date. But it already happened. So you did it for nothing. But it was fun, right? I hope. I hope it was fun at least. Thank you for playing. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go call it for tonight, but thank you everyone. We'll finish it next stream. Okay. Yay! Okay. I think she literally just started the stream. So we're gonna go right. The adorable Tinkerbell. She's one of my. I think I say this every time we raid someone. She's one of my favorite streamers. She sings like an angel. So be prepared to hear the voice from the heavens. You're not prepared for this holy voice of hers. And yeah, she does what's it called? Song redeems as well. And if you look at her songbook, she knows so many songs. So I'm sure there'll be a ton of songs that you love. Yeah, she is amazing. You're amazing. You helped me so much. Thank you. Okay, we'll figure it out. I'll try to like poke at it a little bit too and see if I can figure out what the issue is with the firmware. But for tonight, thank you so much for joining me. Even though we didn't get the LED screen working, I hope it was still fun and enjoyable. And I have a lot of stories to share about the whole fest that I didn't get to share about as well. So we'll talk about that on Monday. Alright, see you. Thank you so much. And let me check. Make sure I'm not ignoring YouTube. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a good ride.